Hello everybody, today is Wednesday, May 4th. It's 4:09 p.m. The regular session for the futures markets has just closed. You can see the time and sales here. The E-mini S&P trading at 2046. Bring over my computer clock here and we can see it's Wednesday, May 4th, and it's just about 10 minutes after the close. We had a pretty good day for the auto trader today. Before I go any further, first the required disclaimer. Okay, first up is the 30-year Treasury Bond, and once again this chart is featured and it hit its goal today of $2,000. So again, one of our most consistent performers, once again showing a strong performance. We had 3 winners. You can see the first, second, and third trade here. This one hitting its goal of 2,000 with obviously a tick or so of slippage on the end. A market order is executed when it hits its goal. Okay, next up is the DAX on the Superenco 14 tick, and this one hit its goal of 2,000 in 2 trades, and there was quite a bit more to go on the second trade, but nevertheless we set profit goals and we stick to them to bring discipline to our trading. So our typical setup is a 20 to 25% differential in the loss limit and the profit goal. So that way we can afford to have some losers while our winners take care of the rest. Okay, next up is the Nasdaq on the Superenco 18 tick, and this is currently long. Actually going to close the position by just hitting the cancel and close button. And there you can see it just closed our position, giving us 765 for the day. So this was not its equity high, but anyway, this is trading 2 contracts and we can see the trades here. So closing out at 765 for the day, and it looks like the equity high was maybe a little bit over 1,000. Okay, next up, the E-mini S&P on the Superenco 6 tick, which starts trading at 12:30, I believe. Did 150 for the day. There was a total of 4 or 5 trades, 2 winners, a break even, and 2 losers here. So a small gain on this chart. The Superenco 12 tick had a net loss of 62.50, so not a big loss there. Okay, the E-mini S&P on the actual line break chart had a number of trades today. Started out with a loser, which drew down about $400 and then managed to recover, finishing with a 225 profit. So we had a couple of 3 winners in the end, and there was 1 loser there, losing trade, that is. Okay, next up is the E-mini S&P on the Superenco 4 tick. This one did 275 for the day, and this one begins trading at 130. So pretty good for a couple of hours trading. Okay, one of our consistent performers, the Superenco 7 tick with the crude oil. This one finished the day minus 500, but if we look at the equity curve from today, we see that it started at 36.75 and was as high as 4,300 or so. So we actually had an equity high of $700 in early trading, and then it gave that all back plus some later in the day. So it just goes to show that lower profit goals can work out as well. So showing some of the losing trades on our most consistent chart as requested by some subscribers. We'll come back to the big winner of the day, which is the 30-year Treasury Bond on the Superenco 6-tick. This chart has been featured dozens and dozens of times. One of our most consistent performing setups here, hitting its goal today. And that's it for today's video. If you'd like to find out more, please visit our website or send us an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thanks for watching today.